Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be teaching you how to lift your face with makeup here, and you're going to do this in about 5 minutes or lesser than that. If you want your face to look well lifted, the first thing you have to do is your brows. If your brows are droopy, your face is going to look droopy, and if your brows point upwards, your face is going to look lifted. You can go with the hair wax or soap if you like, or a brow gel. Sealing down here. Another thing you have to take note of is your skin work. So you don't want to use too much foundation. I'm using 1 to 2 pumps of foundation. Like that's all foundation I'm using. So just dab it. Use a foundation brush so that you get a fuller coverage. Even it out. You have to use a concealer that is lighter than your skin by 2 to 3 shades. You apply it here, the usual place under eye, inner corners. You apply it here. You have to be careful to trace out like up to this point. The edge of the nose here. Goes all the way up. All the way up. Just intensify this. You might not go into a beauty blender immediately. You have to go with this kind of brush first. So you just start by pulling up. You have to still be tender. The next part I'm going to blend will be this. Although it's still connected to my under eye, so I'm just taking it up there. To get the best results, it is advisable you use cream products, then you can use a powder product. So I'm just applying this here. You can see I'm applying it upwards as well. I'm not blending it, I'm just doing it like this. So I still have that sharp line there. Lush for today. So I'm just going to apply that here because Lush also has a way it adds. You can see I avoided here. I'm going to use the same brush to definitely get to the other side. I've actually explained everything here. I'm just going to do this side of camera and I'll come back and apply my powder product. Blended all the cream products. Now it's time to set, and the way you set actually is going to determine how it's going to look final. When you're setting your whole face, you have to be super careful. I'm setting here first before I go to the outer corner. I'm going to be doing a semi-baking. I don't know if that's what I'll call it. I'm going to take this end of the sponge. I'm going to let everything set. This is the finished look, you guys. Try out this face lifting technique. It really works and you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.